Welcome to the PIC Eat Squad, and we're here today with something new. Actually, this is actually new. We never done it on camera before. So, Ma, what do we have?
We have lamb. I did a rack of lamb, cut it up, and asparagus with mushrooms, and I did a Mediterranean chicken salad. And you saw I couldn't do just step by step. It was just too much. So I did enough where you got the gist of the ingredients and stuff like that. So
yeah, so we got lamb. Favorite.
Oh, and I forget. And this is a yogurt mint dipping sauce. I didn't show the prep
It's
work
different.
on
It looks
this.
different, Mom, from the last time you made it.
Do?
Well, yeah, it was like chunky and whiter.
Well, yeah. So anyway, I didn't video or take pictures of that, but that's the gist of it with some seasonings or whatever. So I want you to try it.
Okay.
The dipping sauce.
The lamb. I think this was on this because it fell off.
Doesn't matter. Just go.
Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go.
Oh my God. Girl! They can't see that. You got some fat on it though. You're so funny. So it's good with the sauce.
It's alright, but it tastes different. That's last time.
It do?
Yeah. It's not like the same seasoning.
Well, I always do it a little bit different. So it's good. No?
Yeah, it's good.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, and for the Mediterranean chicken salad, what did I want to say about it? So, yeah, I made the dressing, salad dressing for it. So,
Yeah.
that's that. So, what's going on, Michaela?
Well, I gotta finish off. Alright, so basically today I went to the movies
To see.
to see Jumanji.
Girl, stop.
Yeah, I went to see Jumanji. That movie was so good. It was better because it was really funny and the different characters. You know, it was funny. So y'all could watch it. Because it was funny. The Jumanji movie was really good. Jumanji movie 2, not 1. You already saw that. And I'm getting out my iPhone.
Why are you looking at me?
Because she's buying it, guys.
I ain't buying nothing.
There you are.
No,
Christmas. I can't wait till Christmas comes. I'm finna update it.
An iPhone ain't the biggest thing in the world. I don't get it. I really don't.
And now we're gonna try the lamb on the bone because it wasn't on the bone. Alright.
You was funny.
Alright. One down.
Yeah, one down.
One to go.
Girl!
Did I flick that somewhere?
Yeah, you did. So rude.
Sorry. Ooh, wait, itch back here. Ooh.
Okay, so what else? That's it, Michaela?
No, I got my hair done.
You're not going to show them?
This is my hair, guys. I'm bald.
They can't see that.
Okay, so we're gonna do some ASMR today.
Hey guys, it's
I hope you don't drop no food on there while you playing games. Anyway, so
what? She got more than me, but it's okay.
Anyway, we got the same amount. So Christmas is next week. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it is, because today is Sunday. So Christmas is next week.
This week.
Sunday starts the beginning of the week.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta wait 2 more weeks to get my iPhone. Really? Like, honestly?
Next week.
This week.
This week is not Christmas.
I know. It'll be on Monday. The following week on Monday.
Okay. Anyway. Anyway. Anybody got time for that? So, yeah. So next week is Christmas. I don't know what you guys are doing.
This is a lot of fat on here.
So, we don't have too much going on.
Oh, I have a field trip next week.
You have a what?
Field trip.
This week? You mean? Because this is the last week before break.
Yeah, this week.
Okay, well. Mm-hmm. Girl, you acting like you starving. Stop. Let it go. Here, you want another piece, Michaela? You want another piece? Or no? Anyway, she be acting like she's starving.
I do.
No.
I be over starving. She be starving me, so. She starves me all the time.
Girl, everybody know from these videos you eat well, so whatever. I don't believe you. Anyway.
Wave check. You guys ready? Wave check on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, big forehead coming through. Oh no. See, my mom's forehead is small. She got a 3 forehead, right? And I have a 1, 2, 3. That's almost a 5. That's a 4 forehead. So you have a big forehead. Oh yeah. Wave check.
I don't know why she don't let her pretty hair show. Look, you look so cute and adorable. Anyway.
So how was y'all week? Comment down below. Why do these look soggy? You put too much vegetables in it. It looks soggy.
Okay, then don't eat it then.
It's hard, Ken.
It is. Oh, that's because they got reheated. That's why. That's why. FYI, if you cook asparagus, I cook asparagus with a little crunch to it. But if you end up reheating them, which I had to reheat them, they do get soggy. So don't eat them.
I'm eating the ones that are not hard.
But when I initially cooked them, they were perfect. They were perfect. Don't eat it.
I'm eating the ones that are soft, kind of.
Anyway, so that's girl. I can't with you. Anyway, so that's that. I don't know what else is going on. What's going on in school? Nothing.
Grades good.
Your grades are okay. You need to do better. So, that I do know.
Yeah.
But other than that, oh man, I got something to talk about. I don't know why I sat here all this time and coming at the last minute. We got to wrap this up.
Bad yourself.
But I was on Facebook on the bus on Friday, and it was a video on there with this woman got in the bus driver face, and you know he ended up punching her dead in the face like a dude. And I'm like laughing at it, and I forwarded it or whatever. Next thing I know, true story. A guy got on. Now the bus was late. So like people were irritated. But the guy got on, and a group of people got on or whatever after I got off on the bus, the next I don't know, two stops. And at this point, all the seats was taken. So it was two guys. So they got on, and one stopped in front of me, and then the other one kept walking. And I wasn't really paying attention at first until I saw dude walk back. The dude right in front of me and got in his face and started cursing him out and called him an idiot.
And the B word, and the A word, and the N word,
and called him out his name and all that. And dude just checked him. And he was like,
here's the story.
So anyway, dude just stood there and he was just like basically he wasn't trying to go that way, dude, but dude was like saying stuff to him, trying to goad him on. Then he walked away. He's like, you an idiot, whatever. I don't know what happened when they was getting on the bus. I don't remember. And I caught myself trying to record it and I didn't. I don't know. I'm thinking I recorded it and I ended up not recording it. For
goofball.
So anyway. So then when the dude walked away, the dude that was in front of me, the one that got cursed out, was like, stop saying stuff to him. Man, people on the bus was like, not today. I don't think so. Like, they was like, we trying to get home. Ain't nobody got time for this. What's wrong?
Nothing. Sorry.
He got off of work and, because obviously if a fight break out on the bus has to stop. Police have to be called. All this type of crazy stuff holding people up. So anyway, that's what people was like, not today. We ain't got time for this. And, this, whatever. But for me, I was tripping because I'm like, why this had to happen right in front of me. So if they would have went to blows, because dude was like, come back here. If you got a problem, come back here and we can handle this now. And I'm like, not in front of me. Please, not in front of me. Where they, you get the hitting and doing stuff. You just swinging. I'm like, I ain't got time for that.
They must have swing. Like,
hit me or fall on top of me. I'm like, I ain't got time for that. So they ended up not doing nothing. But I thought that was crazy on Friday. I'm like, it was a crazy week. And it ended weird. Are you going, okay, time out. Look. Are you going to eat that or no? Because once you put your mouth on it, I don't want it. See, this is what I have to deal with.
No, I ain't.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm actually getting full now.
Well, guys, we will have to end this conversation because she talked too much and we got some editing to do. So,
she ain't got nothing to do.
I do all the editing. All she do is sit down and do her work for work. When she goes to her job, I do all the editing. Y'all should give me some credit. Anyways, is it? All right.
You can believe that if you want to.
Well, y'all, I'm gonna go.
Michaela is lazy. Are you lazy?
No.
Tell the truth.
No.
Why you getting up? What is wrong with you? She been on 10 like all day, even in the movies, acting crazy. Just kept talking, just doing the most. It's just like, what is it? How do you do it?
Meditate.
No, what is it? Is it this? Calm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, baby. Anyway, on that note, really?
On that note, we'll be back. Bye. Subscribe, like, comment, do anything I want to do because I gotta go upstairs and get my company because she waiting on me and stuff. I told her we'd be done in 10 minutes and it's like 14 minutes.
Anyway, so if we're unable to put out another video before Christmas, wishing you guys a Merry Christmas.
We should do a Christmas movie.
Year.
We should do a Christmas movie.
Yeah, I'm not doing nothing. Anyway, Now I'm gonna do it because she in her silly mode today. On that note, peace.